Hi there, welcome back to JD's Dashcam. Today I will review the ARC Dashcam. Stay tuned to the end, I'll be showing you some driving footage. The front and rear cameras record at 2K QHD, which is 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames per second. The ARC Dashcam is equipped with the 4 megapixel OmniVision image sensor that records every detail, and with the WDR technology, it balances the low light and bright light to give you clear driving footage in the day or night. Then with its Night Vision 2.0, you can record much brighter videos and the real-time image sensor processing to improve the brightness of the videos recorded. The ARC Dashcam is also equipped with Smart Auto Exposure that adjusts the exposure to record clear footage when there is strong sunlight or headlights. The Dashcam has a 125-degree wide-angle lens to cover the full road and record the front and rear camera details. An added feature is the dewarping video technology that minimizes the image distortion and considers the windshield curve to display a close-to-real scene image. With the 2.7 LCD touchscreen, you could adjust the settings and playback videos. The LCD screen will also display icons of the driver assistance safety alerts. The main screen will display the front camera. To toggle between screens, all you have to do is touch the screen, the top right. Touch the screen again and you get the picture-in-picture again. Dashcam also comes with continuous recording, also known as loop recording. Continuous recording will create 1-minute recordings that will automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. Even though you have continuous recording, you must format your Dashcam at least once a month. This is because it's recording new videos and deleting old ones. Then there is impact sensor, also known as G sensor. The impact sensor can be set to off, low, mid, or high. The impact sensor is triggered by collision or shake, like potholes, speed bumps, or hard braking, which will automatically start recording a 20-second video, 10 seconds before the impact and 10 seconds after the impact. The Dashcam will lock the current footage and will not be overridden by continuous recording. This will protect your video for any insurance claims. And I'll put a link in the description below for more information on G-sensor and loop recording. This video has valuable information for Dashcam users. The Dashcam includes a free 32GB SD card to get you on the road and start recording. The maximum SD card for this dual Dashcam is 256GB. I recommend buying the maximum SD card for the Dashcam. The Dashcam G sensor saves locked files that loop recording can overwrite. The more locked files you have, the less space for your loop recording. The Dashcam has a built-in GPS tracking. The GPS can record driving speed and locations while you drive. The GPS information would also be on your driving footage. The Dashcam GPS tracking enables precise location tracking and real-time transmission to be viewed by utilizing the Thinkware player on a Windows or Mac computer. This software is a great tool for tracking routes or business vehicle routes. Another safety feature the Thinkware ARC Dash camera has is the Advanced Driving Assistance System, also known as ADAS. To use the ADAS feature in addition to the road safety feature, you must install the external GPS module. The first ADAS feature is the Front Vehicle Departure Warning, also known as FVDW. This alerts you when it detects the vehicle in front of you starts moving. Then there's Traffic Signal Alerts, also known as TSA, which alerts you when the traffic signal changes in real time. Privacy Mode is another feature in the ARC Dashcam. This securely safeguards your Dashcam footage by restricting access solely to the vehicle owner through password protection, preventing unauthorized access. If anybody tries to browse your videos, they will not be able to do that because they will need a passcode to open the files. Then there is Thinkware Parking Mode that protects you by capturing video evidence triggered by impact and/or motion while your vehicle is parked. To use Parking Mode, you must install a HARDWIRE cable. For a step-by-step installation video of the Thinkware's HARDWIRE cable, subscribe to JD Answers, because that video is coming out soon. Let me explain what the HARDWIRE cable does. When you turn off your vehicle, the Dashcam is switched to Parking Mode. Then when you turn back your vehicle, the Dashcam switches to regular recording. There are several parking modes: motion and impact detection, time-lapse, and energy-saving mode. For motion detection, a video will be recorded only when motion and/or impact is detected. Next is time-lapse. Time-lapse will use less storage space of your memory card by shooting at 2 frames per second. This will make your footage look like it's in fast forward, but you will still be able to get details from the footage. When the impact is detected while parked, the dash cam will record 50 seconds before detection and 50 seconds after the detection at a rate of 2 frames per second. Next is energy saving mode, which allows the dash cam to reduce power consumption and remain in parking mode. When an impact is detected while parked, the dash cam will record a 20-second video, which will be stored in a parking record folder. For motion detection and impact detection, if you adjust the sensitivity too high, the dash cam will record a video for every minor impact. This may shorten your memory card's file. If the sensitivity is too low, the product may not even record a video when a minor accident occurs. Now, in case you see an incident happening, not necessary to you, but you see an accident happen in front of you, all you have to do is simply press the bullseye and it turns red. Now it's indicating that it is recording a manual recording, and a video will be recorded for 1 minute from 10 seconds before you hit the button to 50 seconds after you press the button, and stored in the manual record file. Now let me show you some driving footage and you can see the camera put to work. Alright, so what you think? Is this the right dash cam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications because I got other videos of this dash cam. I got the installation of this dash cam, the hardwire cable installation, the menu, and other videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!